Get ready for perfectly cooked meals every time with the Pilita digital meat thermometer for cooking. This 2022 upgraded touchscreen LCD display with a backlight provides an instant reading within 2 seconds with an accuracy of ±1. The large display and sensitive touchscreen allow for easy operation and customization of temperature settings. The durable ABS material and waterproof 304 stainless steel probe make it ideal for all types of cooking, from outdoor BBQs to oven roasting. With 8 built-in food cooking modes and a customizable alarm temperature, you'll never have to worry about undercooking or overcooking again. The kitchen timer mode adds an extra layer of convenience, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. With a wide range of temperature measurement from -58,572 to -5,300, you can use the Pilita digital meat thermometer to measure the temperature of both hot foods and cold drinks. The high-strength cable and easy-to-use design make it perfect for use in the kitchen or at a barbecue. Simply lift the battery cover to use as a stand or use the magnets to attach it to a metal surface. With 2 AAA batteries included, you'll be able to start using the Pilita digital meat thermometer right away. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time.